From this video we are going to learn about Unity, and I already created a playlist, so you can check that in the description link below. Also you can check in my YouTube channel, so it will basically help you to learn step by step. Okay, I will give you all the video in part by part so you can understand more goodly. So in this video we are going to basically learn about how you need to use the Unity Hub, Unity marketplaces, and also we will learn some basics project creating in Unity and etc. more. The first thing, the important things on Unity is Unity Hub. From Unity Hub you can install your engine, and once you install your engine, just click on new project. Once you create press on project, they give you some template. You find it 2D, that is if you want to make a 2D game. You find a 3D core if you want to create a 3D game. Then you find 2D in ultra, that is basically give you more feature like industrial render pipelines. And also you find 3D mobile for create a mobile game in 3D. Also you find the 3D sample scene in HDRP, so it will give you more high definition render pipeline. And you find one more, that is basically 3D HDRP. So what is basically different these two things? One is sample, that will give you some texture materials, and also is pretty much a basic scene so you can understand how it's working. And it will also give you, and in the second template you find basically HDRP scene with the empty level. And then you find also the same for 3D URDP, that is universal render pipeline, and the sample one. Also you find a cinematic studio, and you find basically a VR, AR, a third-person code. They are already set up a player third-person character, so you can play around with that. Also you find a first-person character, how it's work. You find a test track with basically a vehicle. You find some Lego code game, and then you find a 2D packrummer to learn that how you can create a how the 2D things work. Then you find a 3D car racing game, and you find also one more 2D mobile game, and at last you find a FPP project. It's a simple FPP project, like how they basically it's work. So we start from our 3D, and then we can use the 3D HDRP, but for me I'm going to use the if you want you can use the HDRP for get high definition, so I'm going to use that. So simply 3D then HDRP. Then if you want you can download. So as you can see, there's a two thing available, so I'm going to basically download the without sample because I don't need any sample, that's why. Then it will ask you to that where you want to save your file, and then second is basically a project name. Let's give it name that learn Unity. Okay, then simply click on create project. Okay, at this time let's learn, once it's creating the project, let's learn about basically the Unity. Basically you can call that Unity marketplaces. So also you can call it to Unity store. So basically for create any game or basically do anything you need assets. So for asset, the Unity library is super big, so you can choose a lots of option available. You can also find free asset. As you can see currently there's more than 2,962 asset, different types of category, environment including animation, environment, and lots of more. But for now we don't need, I'm just showing you. Also you need to log in with your same ID because that is important. And for example you want to install a pack. Okay, for example this pack, this HDRP demo. So you need to just press on my asset, it will be add in your library, and then you can see the project size, and also you see the latest version, and then you find here that Unity is supported version, that how much is recommending or high, or is how much can it support. And make sure that it's HDRP or non-HDRP or URDP, because it totally depends on that, because our scene is a HDRP version, so we can use that HDRP demo. So we can basically get the similar type of like grass and quality and everything. Okay, so as you can see that is pretty much looking totally great. It have lots of things, so we are basically going to use that. So for now I'm just skipping this part, and then let's learn about now. As you can see that there's some more available like option. If you want to buy any 2D, there's so much 2D asset available. Okay, we already learned about the assets. So now as you can see it's saying that it's importing. What is this importing? Because some of cases you need to set up some render pipeline, so currently it's doing that. So let's see after then it's done. Okay, so currently you can see that our Unity is now setuping, so it will be take a time to basically set up all of the thing, because HDRP scene is a very high definition scene, and it will be also take some time to load up, because it's basically pushing the Unity into next level to give you the next level graphics and etc. So as you can see, it's saying that what is currently right now and etc more blah 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 stuff. So just simply you can press X, and as you can see, it's saying that it's compiling some shaders. So let's give time to shader compile. Okay, it's saying the complete 5 out of 4. So okay, now we can continue our stuff. So now in this scene you can see is currently is the editor of Unity. So in editor of Unity, at the left side you find basics about I guess that is enough for today's instruction. Let's continue one more video, then I'll be show you that basically how navigation of editor, what is that basically it is system. So I guess that is enough for today. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, bye bye, see you in next tutorial video.